Hi, this is Ryan James with Liberty Adjusters, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our claims process and what you can expect when you submit a claim to us. First, when you call in, we're going to collect all of your information regarding your claim and your policy. Second, we're going to send some paperwork out to you for electronic signature. Third, we're going to send someone out from our team on site to assess the damage and create a report of that damage. Number 4, we're going to meet with the field adjuster from your insurance company. Keep in mind, this field adjuster is representing your insurance company's best interest, where our goal is to represent your best interest. Number 5, we're going to submit our report and all the required documents that the insurance company may be asking for. And number 6, we're going to negotiate with a desk adjuster in-house with your insurance company. And keep in mind, we're not going to accept any sort of an offer until we've run it by you. Because number 7 is, of course, we're going to agree on a settlement offer. And you're going to know exactly how much that is, and you're going to be comfortable with that amount before we agree on it. If you'd like to know more about our insurance claims process or have a question on your insurance claim, please feel free to give us a call at Liberty Adjusters.